everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ujuvemekaaj Beauty. If this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, you're highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to smash on the subscription button and on the notification bell so you'll be one of those people that get notified anytime I upload my new videos. And for those of you, my UJV lovers, thank you for keeping up with me. I truly appreciate you all. Yeah, you guys know UJV love fashion. I love talking about fashion. So as you all know, I'll be doing unboxing today. Yeah, I'll be unboxing this clothes I got from Zara. But for those of you, I think you already know what I want to unbox. Yeah. I will be unboxing the new collection of Zara blazers. You all know you really love blazers. Like, I am the kind of conservative person. Like, I love to look presentable anywhere I go. And one good thing about blazers is that blazer is good for combination. Like, you can use blazers to combine any outfit of your choice. You can use blazers to combine a dress. I'll be putting a video up. Here, I combined this black blazers with a dress. As you can see, the black blazers and the red dress. You can also use blazers to combine. You can also use blazers to combine a pair of jeans and put and use it to match any top of your choice, a blouse, a turtleneck, or anything. You can also use blazers to combine your skirts. Like, blazers go for everything. And if you are that person that is a business person like me, as a boss, as an entrepreneur, as a mom, I love to look presentable anywhere I go. Because you know what? The way you present yourself or the way you turn up on any occasion or anywhere, any meeting, that is how the people will take you, So I love to look conservative and I love to look modish, stylish. When I mean modish, I think that is a German language, but they call it stylish. I love to look stylish, So I will be unboxing this set of blazers that I got from Zara. And actually, I got two of the blazers, a white blazers and the red blazer. So I will be doing the unboxing with you. And yes. So guys, this is the carton. I just got my package, and you all know I love Zara things. I love Zara outfits. I love Zara clothes. One good thing about Zara is that Zara, they do make the stylish outfits whereby you don't really have to pay much to compare with other brands, with other designers, because these same blazers I got from Zara, you can as well get it from Gucci, get it from other other big brands, and it will cost more. But Zara, it's kind of like everyday, most everybody can afford Zara, and their style is always stylish. That is why I love Zara. So I will just go ahead and unbox this blazer so you can see. As you can see, I'm just opening the packet. So let me show you guys. Sorry for the noise, but I just have to open it, So this is it, and this is one of the collection. This is the white blazer. As you can see, it is looking gorgeous. If you notice, I do rock different colors of blazers. Actually, I have this particular blazers in green. I don't know if you've seen my previous video where I unboxed blazer, or maybe any other, I don't know what I talked about on the video, and you can see, look at the blazer. It has 4 buttons. It has 4 buttons, gold buttons, and it is looking really nice, beautiful. And yes, I am going to style all this gorgeousness, all these blazers for you guys to see, but that will be in my other video. And oh my god, check out the red, I am so loving this red. Check it out. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep my packet so it doesn't fall. Look at the red. Wow, with the gold. Actually, both of them are of the same pattern, the same style, everything. And as you can see, the blazers is looking gorgeous and beautiful. So I will go ahead in my second video. Guys, please stay tuned. Check out my next video where I will style these blazers for you. And actually I love blazers with shoulder pads. As you can see, shoulder pads tend to give the blazers some kind of spice. You know, when you want to cook your food, you add a little bit spice on top, you know. So I love blazers with shoulder pads, you know. As you can see, this one I'm rocking, this black here. I actually got this one from Zara. I think it was last year collection, and it's looking nice on me. It's looking nice on me, guys. So I will go ahead and style the blazers on my other video, so you guys can see how Ujuvemekaaj beauty really look on the blazers. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy seeing my fashion side. I also do talk about business, you know, do makeup on my channel, and as well do a little bit of fashion. You know what? Because that is all what beauty is all about. Beauty is a total package whereby it includes your makeup, your cosmetics, how you look, your inner self, your hair, everything. You know, these are all beauties. So thank you guys for keeping up with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do and be part of Ujuvemekaaj family. I really appreciate that. And for those of you my Ujuvemekaaj family, thank you for keeping up with me. I appreciate you all. So guys, that is it for today. I love you all. Please keep safe with your family, and one love. Bye bye.